Today I'll show you a simple Notion template trick that every beginner should know. This trick helps you stop repeating the same setup again and again, and it can save you a lot of time. First, open your database. I'm using the simple database called Content Ideas Database. You can use any database. Click the arrow next to the New button. Then click New Template. Give your template a name. Inside the template, you can add the structure you want to reuse. I'll fast forward while I add my own template structure. Here I've added a few sections that consist of title, hook, main points, call to action. Once I'm satisfied with the structure, I can click outside the page to save it. Now the template is saved. Let's first look at a normal page in the database. As you can see, the page is empty. This is what happens when you create a page without a template. Now let's create a page using the template we've created. Click the arrow next to the New button. Then click the template we created. Now the structure is already prepared. If you want to use a template for the empty pages, you can simply click the template below. You don't need to create this again every time. Templates help you work faster and stay organized. And that's the Notion template trick every beginner should know.